One more review tonight. It's from a pizza tool set from a company called Teikis. This particular one has a pizza peel, which is your pan, and it has a cutter. So I was going to open it up. This is great. I mean, you're doing. I don't have a pizza here to demo one on. I apologize, but you can see here the box. There's some demos. So I just want to look at the product itself. So in the box, they have Home Living, flip over for discount coupons. So they have a coupon card in there for using for future purchases. You have your pizza peeler, your pan, and it's fairly heavy. This is all stainless steel. Let's look at what we got in here. All right, so some screws here. Yep, goes in like that. And here's your pizza peeler, pizza pan. Get it in the oven, get it out of the oven, good for the grill, get it on the grill, get it off the grill. Most pizzas in your house will work great for this. And this, again, it's fairly heavy. And then for storing, you can just unscrew it. Or not. Okay, so the screw came out of the wood part of it. That's going to be a demerit point right there, but I'll have to figure that out. But this should unscrew and you can flip the handle around and store it that way. But this is cool. And then you have the cutter part itself. So you get your pizza and you can slice the whole pizza. One big fell swoop. It's a lot better than those rolling pizzas. And when you go into a restaurant, you'll see this is what they use. And it's not super sharp, but it's sharp enough to get in a pizza dough. So anyway, that's the kit, pizza tool set. It's pizza peeler, pizza cutter from a company called Teikis, Teikis. And it works. I think for the price, it's a cool set. So if you have any questions about it, please let me know. I'd be happy to answer them.